Hi, I'm lifestyle blogger Kelly Page. My blog is bluegraygal.com. I have over 50,000 followers and almost all of them are women, and we've all been asking the same questions. How can we have fun this summer but stay safe? My first product to talk to you about is Chapstick Moisture Plus Tint with SPF 15. It's a must-have this summer because it's a tinted lip balm and mineral sunscreen in one. Not only does it nourish your lips with this pretty tint of color, but it provides broad spectrum SPF protection so you can enjoy your time in the sun and look great. It's time we all focus on our sensitive lip area, and this hydrates and enhances it and has 3 beautiful colors. Next, we just took a family road trip and my husband will not pull out of the driveway without Haribo gummies. They are made with the highest quality ingredients and are the perfect shareable treat to inspire that childlike happiness inside of you. We load up on Gold Bears, Star Mix, and Twin Snakes. Something fun is that Haribo is celebrating their 100th year anniversary as a family-owned business. To celebrate, they have a new limited edition passport mix full of gummies from around the world. Haribo.com has more information. Next, as a mother to 3, I know how important learning is for our kids. Summer Bridge Activities from Carson DeLosa are the #1 summer workbook series, trusted by parents and teachers for over 25 years. It's designed to prevent summer learning loss, which is so important, and they can be done anywhere in as little as 15 minutes. The workbooks start at pre-K, go up through 8th grade, and are under $15. Personally, I love to give the workbooks to my kids to do on rainy days. Lastly, we've never been more aware of air quality than before, and the Remington AirTrex 365 Home Air Sanitizer is exactly what you need. You will feel better the moment you plug it in. What makes it so effective is the same virus-neutralizing ultraviolet light technology that's used in hospitals is now in a product safe for home use. So as you're home and the kids are coming and going and your guests are coming or going, the air will circulate, getting rid of those airborne bacteria, virus, and germs, so you can be safe and no harmful chemicals are released in the air. RemingtonHeater.com/UV is where you go for that information. And for all of the product tips and information that I've shown you here today, go to tipsontv.com.